Women fall in love in a very different way to men, but how exactly do they do it? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So if you've ever been confused by women or just want to know how to make her fall in love with you, then this video is for you. Before we get into the video, I want you guys to smash up that like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing because it does help out a lot. Now let's get straight into the video. No. 1. She gets to know you. So the first thing women do when they start falling in love is that they try to get to know the person. They will pay attention to every little detail, from the way you dress to the way you speak. This is because they want to make sure that you're the right person for them. They'll ask you questions about yourself and listen intently to your answers. They also try to learn about your interests and hobbies so that they can connect with you on a deeper level. They'll be curious about everything, where you grew up, what kind of music you like, what kind of movies you watch, what are your interests, and so on. If you notice that she's asking you a lot of questions, it means that she really wants to get to know you and she's interested in your life. This is a good sign that she's starting to fall in love with you. No. 2. She starts to open up to you. Another thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they become more open. They will share their thoughts and feelings with you, and they will be more vulnerable around you than they are with other people. When a woman starts to open up to you, it means that she trusts you and she feels comfortable around you. This is a very important step in the relationship because it shows that she is willing to let you in and she wants you to get to know her better. So when you feel like she's starting to open up to you, it's important to be there for her and to listen to her. Don't try to give advice unless she asks for it. Just be there to support her and let her know that you care. No. 3. She will start to tell you everything. So when a woman starts to fall in love with you, she will want to tell you everything. She will want to tell you about her day, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. She will also want to tell you about her feelings and her thoughts. She will want to tell you everything because she trusts you and she feels like you deserve to know. This is a good thing because it means that she trusts you and she feels safe with you. But it's also important to be aware of it because she may be telling you things that she doesn't want to tell anyone else. So it's important to be respectful and to keep her secrets. If she tells you something in confidence, don't go and tell someone else. Let her know that you're there for her and that she can always count on you. No. 4. She will start to prioritize you. So another thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they start to prioritize you. She will make time for you in her busy schedule, and she will make sure that you're always there for her. She will start to put you before other things in her life, like her job or her friends. This is a big sign that she really likes you and she's starting to fall in love with you. It can be a bit overwhelming at first, but it's important to remember that she's doing this because she cares about you. So just relax and enjoy it. Just be there for her and let her know that you appreciate her. Tell her how much you appreciate her and how much you like her as well. This will make her feel loved and appreciated, and she'll be even more willing to prioritize you in the future. No. 5. She's always on her phone with you. So when a woman is really starting to fall in love with you, she will always be on her phone with you. She will want to talk to you on the phone and text you all the time. Even if you're not together physically, she will still want to be close to you in other ways. This is because she really likes you and she can't get enough of you. She will want to hear your voice and know what you're doing at all times. This can be a bit much at first, but it's important to remember that she's just really into you. So just go with it. If she's always texting you, then it means that she really wants to be in your life. So just respond to her texts and let her know that you appreciate her wanting to be in contact with you. No. 6. She will constantly mention you to her friends. Another thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they start talking about you nonstop to their friends. She will want to share everything about you with her friends because she is so excited about how she feels around you. She will want to tell them all about the things you've done together and how much fun you had. She will also want to tell them about her feelings for you and how happy you make her. If you start hearing her talking about you to her friends a lot, then it means that she really likes you and she can't wait to tell everyone about you. It is a good idea to take this as a positive sign and to know that she really likes you. Just be yourself around her and let her continue to get to know you. Number 7, she start to plan for the future. So the next thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they start to plan for the future. This is a big sign that she really likes you and she can see herself being with you long term. She will start to talk about things like where she wants to live, what she wants to do with her life, and even start making plans for vacations or trips. If she's talking about the future and involving you in it, then it means that she really sees a potential for a relationship between the two of you. This is a great sign, and it's important to take it as a good thing. If you like her too, then it's a good idea to start planning for the future with her. Start making plans together and talk about what you both want to do with your lives. This will help you two get closer, and it will also show her that you're willing to invest in the relationship. Now, 8. She give you little touches and affection. Another thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they will give you little touches and affection. This is a very important sign because it shows that she is comfortable with you and she feels safe around you. She may start to hold your hand, play with your hair, or give you hugs and kisses. All of these are very intimate gestures, and it shows that she really trusts you. If you notice that she is giving you a lot of affection, then it means that she is really starting to fall in love with you. Take this as a good sign and be grateful for her love. And number 9, she asks you for advice. So another thing that women do when they start falling in love is that they ask you for advice. They will want to hear your opinion on things, and they will want to know what you think about certain topics. They will also want to know how you feel about things, and they will want to know your thoughts on various subjects. This is because they value your opinion and they want to know what you think. They trust you and they respect you and they want to hear your thoughts on things. If she starts asking you for advice on things, then it means that she really likes you and she trusts you. Take this as a good sign and be honest with her. Give her your true opinion and let her know how you feel about things. She will appreciate your honesty and she will value your opinion. So those are 9 things that women do when they start falling in love. Do you relate to any of these signs? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.